Hi friends, today you will explore 50 wild animal names in English. Let's go. Lion.
This is a lion.
Tiger.
This is a tiger.
Elephant.
This is an elephant.
Giraffe.
This is a giraffe.
Zebra.
This is a zebra.
Rhinoceros.
This is a rhinoceros.
Hippopotamus.
This is a hippopotamus.
Leopard.
This is a leopard.
Cheetah.
This is a cheetah.
Wolf.
This is a wolf.
Bear.
This is a bear.
Panda.
This is a panda.
Kangaroo.
This is a kangaroo.
Koala.
This is a koala.
Gorilla.
This is a gorilla.
Chimpanzee.
This is a chimpanzee.
Orangutan.
This is an orangutan.
Deer.
This is a deer.
Moose.
This is a moose.
Bison.
This is a bison.
Buffalo.
This is a buffalo.
Fox.
This is a fox.
Jackal.
This is a jackal.
Hyena.
This is a hyena.
Crocodile.
This is a crocodile.
Alligator.
This is an alligator.
Snake.
This is a snake.
Cobra.
This is a cobra.
Eagle.
This is an eagle.
Hawk.
This is a hawk.
Owl.
This is an owl.
Falcon.
This is a falcon.
Penguin.
This is a penguin.
Seal.
This is a seal.
Walrus.
This is a walrus.
Dolphin.
This is a dolphin.
Whale.
This is a whale.
Shark.
This is a shark.
Octopus.
This is an octopus.
Armadillo.
This is an armadillo.
Sloth.
This is a sloth.
Porcupine.
This is a porcupine.
Hedgehog.
This is a hedgehog.
Dat.
This is a bat.
Lemur.
This is a lemur.
Otter.
This is an otter.
Raccoon.
This is a raccoon.
Wild boar.
This is a wild boar.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos.